Hey folks, spotty showers firing up with the sea breeze earlier this afternoon in the coastal counties. They have since moved westward. One little dot left. You can see this stuff fired up pretty good. Parts of Cameron County around Rio Hondo seeing some good rain, and all that's left on the radar, that one little blip off to the northwest of Edinburgh, kind of moving to the southwest. It will fall apart before it reaches Citrus City. That's probably the end of it for tonight, so the rest of the night should be pretty quiet across the region. During the daytime tomorrow, we could see the sea breeze try to fire up again. That's that line you see right there during the afternoon, so an isolated shower on that sea breeze, a possibility, but most areas, like today, stay rain-free. Going to Saturday, same kind of thing, partly to mostly sunny, sea breeze shower possible. And Sunday, we can't rule it out either, so just enough moisture that really the next several days we have to keep at least the slight possibility of a shower in there. But all those showers are afternoon showers, form near the coast, move inland and fade away. Temperature-wise, here's where we are right now. Still 103 in Rio Grande City, 91 in Weslaco, same thing in Brownsville. Port Isabel checks in at 89 degrees. Your dew points, upper 60s and low 70s, 75 in Brownsville. That's the higher dew point right now, about 65 in Rio Grande City. We're going to put a 72 on the muggy meter. That's somewhere in the middle, and most of us are certainly up in that very humid category right now. As you take a look at our low temperatures tonight, most of the valley should end up in the mid-70s. The exception will be the island at 80 degrees, and then tomorrow the island tops out in the upper 80s. Everybody else, 90s or 100 plus. Winds east to southeast about 5 to 10 miles an hour. Normal high for this time of year, the average high, the 30-year average is 97. We should reach that tomorrow. Probably a little bit above that for Saturday and Sunday. Not dramatically, though, so we don't see any big changes coming anytime soon at all. Boy, those thunderstorms fired up on the sea breeze. Look how the tops of the clouds just get shot off to the southwest by the upper level winds. That's why the showers didn't last very long. They got sheared off very quickly, and same kind of thing will happen tomorrow. That strong northeasterly flow aloft really carries the tops of those clouds away in a hurry. You can tell by the flow of all the clouds here, the high sitting back over here, right? That flow continues as that high sits in about the same place. We're talking upper level winds now, but there's still enough moisture that each day that sea breeze shower is possible. The high kind of stays off to the northwest of us for a while, and with that, the pattern not changing much, so we just keep an eye out for those brief afternoon showers. That's about it. Not a whole lot of change in temperature as we showed you. At the coast, winds are out of the east about 5 to 10 knots. There's just a light chop on the bay. UV is extreme. Bay temperatures 85, surf's 82. 8:08 in the morning is the high tide. Low tide's 11:07 tomorrow night. Lots of folks getting ready to go out for TIFT this weekend. Texas International Fishing Tournament. It looks pretty good. So tonight, mainly clear, warm, and muggy. 75 for your low. Variable winds. Then tomorrow, just an isolated afternoon shower. 97. Same kind of thing as today. Most areas don't get rain, but a couple of places do. And when it does rain, it's pretty heavy for at least a few minutes. We stay in the upper 90s through the rest of the forecast period. Maybe a little warmer on Tuesday. Nighttime lows mainly in the upper 70s. Again, about a 20% chance of a shower most of the next several days. That's your updated First Warn 5. Back to the forecast.